In this tutorial, we will learn how to perform a densitometric analysis for agarose gel electrophoresis bands. To quantify the intensities of agarose gel bands, log on to the website as shown in the screen below. Click on Download and then select the software that suits your operating system. After download has been completed, extract the file and find the ImageJ icon inside the folder. For your convenience, the ImageJ icon can be exported to the desktop. For this tutorial, let us import an agarose gel image by drag and drop method onto ImageJ. In this example, the gel image on the left-hand side shows the amplified fibrillin 1 bands consisting of a control, sample 1 and sample 2. On the right-hand side of the gel image, the gel bands are of a housekeeping gene GAPDH. To perform a densitometric analysis of the bands of our interest, first, the image has to be converted into an 8-bit image. The next step is to subtract the background or noise present in the agarose gel image. The red arrow points to the fibrillin 1 bands that is of our interest, while the yellow arrow points to the background or the noise that needs to be removed before the quantification of the fibrillin 1 bands. In order to subtract the background, click on the rectangle tool and select the region of interest considered as the background or the noise to be removed. Then click on Analyze and Set Measurements. Except mean gray value, all the other options can be deselected and then click OK. Again, click on Analyze and then Measure. The dialog box shows the mean gray value of the background or the noise to be 45.022. Now, deselect the yellow rectangle box from the agarose gel image and then click on Process, Math, and subtract the mean gray value. The value to be subtracted should reflect the mean gray value of the background or the noise obtained. And then click OK. Now the background or the noise is successfully removed from the gel image. The next step is to invert the image so that the gel bands in the image appears black in color in a white background. Select the rectangle tool again and then draw a rectangle that completely boxes the gel bands. Click on Analyze, Gel, and select First Lane. The pop-up dialog box confirms whether the lanes are arranged horizontally. Click Yes to proceed if the gel bands are in a horizontal lane. Now, the rectangle box is marked as 1. Again, click on Analyze, Gel, and Plot Lanes. The next step is to choose the Line tool from above and draw a straight line connecting the bottom ends of the plotted lanes. This step displays the area occupied by the bands in the gel image. All the bottom ends of the plot lanes are to be connected using the Line tool. Once completed, select the One tool from above and click within the enclosed plotted lanes. Again, click on Analyze, Gel, and then Label Peaks. This step displays the percentage area of the occupied intensity. Simply copy the entire result and then paste it in an Excel file. At this stage, all the windows except the gel image and the ImageJ software itself can be closed. Next, we will repeat the procedure for the housekeeping gene GAPDH in a similar way to calculate its percentage area intensity. Once the results are obtained, copy the entire data and paste it in the Excel file again. To quantify the intensity, normalize the fibrillin 1 gel bands against its corresponding housekeeping gene, that is GAPDH. This is achieved using the formula equals and then click on percentage area intensity obtained for the first gel band over its corresponding GAPDH percentage and then hit Enter. The other gel band intensities can be calculated similarly. Now, these values can be used to plot in a graph. Thus, we successfully determined the densitometric analysis of the agarose gel bands. Thanks for watching the video. Do stay tuned for more such videos by subscribing to this channel.